The moon belongs to me. I'll take this moment too. Yet, if you gaze upon its face, I'll pass it on to you.
Okay, the plan is archery and blacksmithing with Steve C. Be by in a little bit, and then we'll go across later, do some black powder, and some more archery and some axe throwing and all that. So stay tuned. Okay.
Oh yeah? And I'm going to walk and try to hit. No, I can't. What do I do?
What do you want? Oh, God, it's going to take me a bit. Oh, see, you're getting closer.
Let me get it. Go ahead, then. You're going to walk it. Okay, you want me to get on the other side? Nope.
No, I'm going to walk in front of you.
Wait till I get it pulled back.
Oh! Ooh. Right.
That hurt.
I got to warm up a little bit.
Wow, it's chilly out, bro. Shoot to the right. Get that sucker.
Is everything fit to you? Yeah,
Alright, go ahead.
No, you go.
Where am I supposed to be shooting up here?
Yeah. I see it, it doesn't feel it. Jesus, I gotta change arrows. That one, you see how that one went? I bet the shaft is too thin.
Shaft is too thin?
Yeah.
What weight are you? 90?
No, this is 100. This is the 110. So,
I took it down.
oh, you got it?
Look at from here.
Hey, you. It's all you.
Oh, me?
Over on this side, yeah. Yeah, I'll put that one up behind. Oh, did you hit it?
I think it skimmed it, maybe.
You're terrible.
I hit the wire.
Did you hit? Pallet.
Oh.
All right.
I think I amused the kid. The kid comes out. I think I amused the kid. Ooh, there it is. I should try one of those walking things, man. I don't know. I'll try that after. That arrow, that had a, what kind of tip was on it?
I'll have to look. That's the one went off to the right. Take a look.
But yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I like that. I like the metal, man. I like the metal and I like the blues. All right, what are you gonna do?
All right, go ahead.
You gonna dive and roll and
No, not on this wetgrass.
serpentine?
Oh, baby.
Okay, are we gonna just pepper this? The pepper? Let's see if we can get this.
Oh, sweet. Look at that.
There it is.
I don't think I can top it.
There you go.
Glad you're shooting well, man. You're training both of us today.
There it is. What'd you get? You get all three? I don't know. Was the last one, did you hit it in the bottom?
I don't know. I think I hit the pumpkin. Like, what do you mean, what you get?
I want to get something different.
Like what? Like a different style or just different?
Yeah, different style. This is the, I mean, I like the horse bows and that's what I want to get, but I don't like the flat.
Uh-huh.
You know, I like the pointy.
Yeah.
We'll see. I think we'll see. All right. Take it out.
Count it three?
There, wait. Oh, wait. Yeah, let me get back so you can...
No, we're good. Count it three?
Yeah.
One. Good.
Oh. Premature shooting. I just had a little premature shoot. Wasn't even aiming.
One.
Nope. Okay, wait. I'm going to draw.
Yep.
And I'm going to count. And I'll say 1, 2, and on 3.
Yep.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. When I hit 3. Not yet. Wait, when I say 3, that's when we fire.
Okay.
We don't wait.
Right.
After 3, we fire on 3.
Okay.
Here?
Yep.
All right, here. 1, 2, 3. Wait! You got some premature shooting right there. Nice shot, huh? Bad.
All right.
Put it up to the pasture. We're gonna put the
Do you want to be on the
pumpkin.
All right, we're just moving on.
Dude, I don't care. I'm gonna try a walking one.
All right, try walking.
All right, hang on. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk this way. Hang on. And then you just pull up. I've never done this before.
Steve C. Walk.
I'm walking. He's looking at the camera. He's smiling. He turns and shoots. And he doesn't hit anything. Oops, here, I'm in your way, man. I'm in your shot. I'm in your shot. Here, I'm going to do a kneel. No, I'm not. It's wet. No.
Oh!
Oh!
Very nice.
I was aiming at the pumpkin. For real. I'll take it. All right, last shot. Last shot of the morning.
Oh! You almost got
Ooh, you just went across.
it. I did, man. I just, yeah.
You picked the pumpkin.
I'm messing with the pumpkin.
All right.
Whistler arrows. Fun time.
Whistler arrows. One time. What am I doing?
Just grab it.
Dude. That's so cool. All right.
You gotta do them straight up, man.
Straight up?
Yeah. Because they wander. Even when you think you got it straight up, they wander.
Straight up, he says.
It's a still day, though, so.
Oh, shit. Oh, crap. I'll get it. I know where it is.
Yeah, no, let's look for it now.
Hey, it's my first whistler! And I whistled straight into the woods. Just this. All right, you ready?
Remember, straight up.
Straight up. I thought it was, bro.
You gotta get your internal level out.
I don't have it. All right. So if I want this to come back on your head,
Well, don't move up. So yeah, kind of like no, stop. Yeah, see, you're angling,
well, I'm not there yet.
right?
There? That's straight?
It's not quite actually. That's straight.
Holy jeez, ready?
Yeah. Hey, go.
That's great.
I want to get a video of like, wow, 1, 2, 3. Oh, the first thing I did is I laughed my ass off. Right?
Ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna come your way. They look like you should light them on fire.
Okay, 2 at once.
Oh shit, they're coming right on my head.
Okay, this time you're going to give it a nice cut across, but we're not going through. Okay, good. That's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, about like that, all the way across. Yeah, establish your line first. And get on the edge, yeah. And then one back. There. Get one more on the edge over here. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
No, you're good. You're good. Perfect.
All right.
Hop her up.
All right. Now
Okay.
what?
Now, pop her in. Actually, knock the scale off. I get some sand. Get some sand there. Okay. Now take it up and tap that closed a bit more. Yeah, you may have to adjust your.
Actually, right here. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, this thing is heavy, dude. I don't know how you
Put hair on your chest.
Jeez. Okay, good.
Yep. Okay. Pop her back in. Very nice. Very nice.
There we go.
Authority. Right on the end there, just a little bit on the end.
Right here?
Yeah. It's not hot enough in the. Okay, that's good. You just tap it there just to get it flush again. I'm gonna throw it in again and want to get that part loaded. So. Okay, this time you're going to hammer more towards the middle where the open seam is. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, right now. Tap. Okay, right towards the edge. Right there. Yeah, right all along there. Right all along there. Okay. Okay. Let's take that over and brush it down. Brush it down, then get some sand down there.
Here, ready?
Yeah. Sure, burn my stuff. No, good. Okay, now we can. Yes. Yeah. Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, hold on.
Now you're going to want to take this over, brush it, and yeah, use the little tapping hammer to clean the scale. Brush what you can. Okay, this time, yeah, hit the end of that. Knock down. Hit it flat. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, so one tap there, just to flatten it down. Yep, okay. And then what we're going to do, put this end in. And then we're going to close it up. Boom, boom.
Good. Where are we going?
Yep. And in the middle, just okay. I want you to brush that off, brush off the edges, all the seamed edges, and then sand it, and we'll throw it back in. Wow, that's hot. Yeesh. Right now, quick. Now, pick it up when it's really hot. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Now let's test it. Hammer on the side over there. On the corner, yeah. We don't see it coming apart.
I do not. Do you?
Nope.
No? How about the other side?
The other side, we want to weld a little bit more. It's partially welded, but I don't think it's... Oh, let's do this too. Let's do this too. Let's get that.
You want to get this down?
Yeah.
Am I folding it over? Is that what we're doing?
Yep. We'll get that welded at some point, but waste not, want not. But see, it's not coming apart, and that's a good sign. But there are a few gaps in the fold there, so what we want to do is we want to get those tidied up, and then we can come back and tidy.
And that hole's not gonna.
No. That'll all get worked out. See, little white sparks.
I don't see.
Not too many. Here. See? I see the sparks. Those sparklers?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, they're different from the charcoal. It's okay, ready?
Yeah.
Just right on. Yeah, just tap it right on the end. Alright, good hard. Right on the end. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it. See, it doesn't spread.
Does not spread. Out.
Okay. So
What do you want to do?
So there's still,
Yeah,
you see
I
on
still
this,
see
there's still,
seats there
you see
and
the
on the
light,
other
yeah. So we'll get that. I mean, that'll be heating it up and then run along. But here, brush her down, sand her up.
I don't know what else. Oh! Oops.
It worked.
Okay, because it's got like a hair trigger. So this gun is something my father-in-law made. It's a flintlock, and it was made in 2007. And it was actually the first time I ever fired it. It was just a second ago. So Phil's going to take a shot, and
Well, that startled me. You put more powder in there this time.
I did. Okay.
Oh, I got the can.
Fake.
Oh, shine!
Hang on.
See, maybe we were shooting it and it just went through the hole.
Anytime. Sweet.
I don't know. Dude, I'm in, shooting the old 67 caliber. Something, maybe you can.
on. Arm knife. Oh shit. Cock it again, try again. Might have had too much powder in there.
The wadding. Look at that glorious sun. Had a good time this weekend. Steve C and I worked on his eventual pattern welded pizza wheel, and it's right here, 3 layers. And so we got some fun archery in. Even got to use the whistlers. That was kind of cool. And went across the road and we shot black powder with a friend. So, you know, knocked back a couple. So it was a good weekend. So hope you had a good one, and we'll see you on the other side of the week. Stay well. Be good.